You are holy. You are holy. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. For the Lord Almighty reign. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul. Worship your holy name. The sun comes up. It's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again. 10,000 reasons for my heart to find. Chukwu, Special General, 2233, 2233, Dark All Night, Ikwalu, Ibu, Akalauwa, Ikwalu, 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 then you space, Ibu, Ibu, you space, Akalauwa, Akaluwa, Akalauwa, for peace worldwide. They are the name of the prayer. To bring peace worldwide, both physical and spiritual peace. Matthew chapter 5, verse 9. Memorize this place. Matthew chapter 5, verse 9. In the Beatitude, Jesus spoke and said, in the Beatitude there, he said, blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called children of God. They are all about bringing peace worldwide, both physical and spiritual. Peace in all continents, in all countries. Peace in Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, USA, all worldwide. I use male cow, female cow, rooster, hens, rams, chicken, game, mother goats, all 33. 22, 33, column nuts. Drinks, wine. Transfer to Chukwu and Ndotiye, all the good energies, all these physical and spiritual energies and foundation. Like Ikwalu, Ibu, Akalauwa, transfer. Chukwu and Ndotiye, spirit, fire, earth, air, water, all the energies, all foundation, all countries, their science and technologies, their energy. Ikwalu, Ibu, Akalauwa, transfer to all. Konyodu, Jebulubolia, then let all rise and go face their job, face their calling, face their helping humanity. In Middle East, Israel, both physical and spiritual energies. Ikwalu, Ibu, Akalauwa, transfer. All angers rising in any way, causing war, causing problems, physical and spiritual. I use 22, 33 uncooked eggs. Stir, calm, and terminate all of them. I say, let there be peace in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And I use Uzu, Etunzu, and Imanzu, traditional white chalk, to mark peace on the floor. And put Uzu, traditional white chalk, in all science and technologies, in all foundation. I say, let there be peace in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. All come together worldwide and prayer. We use male cow, female cow, rooster, hens, rams, chicken, game, mother goats, all 33. 22, 33 kola nuts, and drinks. We stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace. We skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxy, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit, asteroid, heaven, black hole, pot in all foundation, science and technology, spot. All negativities, all foundation, causing wars, causing problems in the world, against the world, destroying lives and properties. They are making everybody aggressive, everybody angry, hatred, everybody ready to go to war and start bombing and start shooting. All the foundation, both physical and spiritual, and the energies to destroy all of them and turn them upside down. Eh? I use all animals, roosters, sons, 33 bitacolas, male dog, okenkita, male dogs, okobago, otinku chicken, 4 he goats, baby powders, cosmetic soap, tissue napkins, destroy and turn all of them upside down. I destroy them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. Prayer transfer to all countries, all continents, for free. Transfer to Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, USA. Transfer to Middle East. Transfer to Arab world. Transfer to Palestinians, Gaza. Transfer to Israel. Transfer to all land, all ocean, all airspace, into all the science and technologies, into all the forces, all the military, all the forces transfer there. Transfer to USA, police, sheriff, CIA, Secret Service, FBI, military, Navy, Air Force, Marine, Coast Guard, Border Patrol, Custom, Immigration. Transfer to all the security, Homeland Security. Transfer to Allied Universal Security and Securitas. Transfer to them for free. Transfer to them. Transfer to all hospitals, dental, psych ward, recuperative cares. Transfer to Serenity, recuperative care. Transfer to White House. Transfer to President Joe Biden and Kamala Harris. Transfer to Democrat, Republican, GOP. Transfer to all for free. I'm moving us forward. All foundation or any foundation that rise against anybody that want to fight, promoting war, promoting violence, all be destroyed in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and blind all of them and block them, chain them, tie, put them in both physical and spiritual prison. We use water, boil eggs, drinks, food, all that goes into the body that are good, to welcome this prayer, their energy, their power, authorities, manifestation into our body foundation, science and technologies, and peace. Peace to ourselves, peace to others. In conclusion, blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called children of God, the Most High, Lord Almighty. Let there be peace in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. So Maribia. Sanko FM, Chief Priest, Peter Odira Nkwuaku, in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chief Priest, what? Chief Priest, USA. USA. Ovungongwe bulu yana. Obungongwe bulu yana. Obungongwe bulu yana. Chukwu na me bulu yana. Obungongwe bulu yana. Obungongwe bulu yana. Obungongwe bulu yana. Chukwu na me bulu yana. Oi. Misericorde, sicut patem. Misericorde, sicut patem. Misericorde, sicut patem. Misericorde, sicut patem. In ece misericordia Dei. Ad news, with all spectatamo undis miserere nobis ad news Dei, with all spectatamo undis dona nobis pacem. Ajọ mmụọ kwakọrọ na-aba onye mmeri abịago, na-aba onye mmeri abịago, na-aba onye mmeri abịago, sị gị na-aba. Ajọ mmụọ kwakọrọ na-aba onye mmeri abịago, na-aba onye mmeri abịago, na-aba onye mmeri abịago, sị gị na-aba. Ajọ mmụọ kwakọrọ na-aba onye mmeri abịago, na-aba onye mmeri abịago, Naba onye mmeri abịago sị gị naba forward.